pharmacy friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. So my dear friends, in this video we're going to see vacancies for freshers candidates from MSN laboratories. So these are the vacancies for freshers from MSN laboratories. So here you can see walk-in drive for pharmacovigilance department for their formulation division at Bollaram. This job was posted on Naukri. So the date of this walk-in interview is 11th September 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. The venue is MSN Laboratories Formulation Division, plot number 42, Anrich Industrial Estate, Bollaram Village, Hyderabad. So, coming to the job role, they are looking for freshest candidates for the pharmacovigilance, Hyderabad or Secunderabad, Telangana job location, and the salary is 2 to 7 lakh per annum. So here you can see the job description: walk in drive for pharmacovigilance in formulation division. So the eligibility is BDS, B Farm, M Farm pharmacovigilance. So M Farm candidates pharmacovigilance, regulatory or pharmacology candidates freshers are eligible. 2022 or 2023 pass outs candidates and experienced candidates are also eligible for this opportunity. Work location: MSN formulation division 1, Bollaram. Interview date 11th September, Monday 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. So the job description here include medical reviewer, medical writer, medical reviewer. So these are the details, my dear friends. So contact numbers are provided here. If you have any doubts, you can contact them. So thank you for watching, my dear friends. So this is a walk-in interview. So please utilize the opportunity. Thank you.